Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into today's adventure, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video with someone you'd love to travel with. Alright, today we're taking you to one of the most magical little towns in Iceland, the beautiful Seydisfjordur. We finally arrive after one of the most scenic drives ever, winding through mountains and waterfalls. And instead of rushing anywhere, we start by exploring the outskirts of the town. Right away, we came across some really quirky structures, the kind of stuff that makes a place feel totally unique. One of them actually looked like a rusted old boat that had been turned into a food kiosk, which was such a random but cool find. Seydisfjordur is full of these super colorful houses, each one brighter than the last. It feels like every corner is photo-worthy. We took our time, walked along the quiet streets, and just soaked in how peaceful and artsy everything felt. After exploring the town a bit, we made our way toward the most iconic spot, the Seydisfjordur Church, also known as the Blue Church.
We're here.
This one is for love.
And leading up to it, the famous rainbow-colored steps. This was such a cool moment. The contrast of the colorful street, the bright blue church, and the mountains behind it. It honestly didn't feel real. Definitely one of those, you have to see it in person, kind of places. And here's the best part. We actually went inside the church. It's just as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. Super peaceful, simple, and calm. It really added to the whole experience and made it feel even more special. We spent some time here taking photos, of course, but also just appreciating how unique this little town is. It's small, calm, and full of character. After that, we just kept exploring, checking out little cafes, local art spots, and enjoying the vibe. It's not a place you rush through, it's a place you experience. So if you're ever planning a trip to Iceland, make sure Seydisfjordur is on your list. It's colorful, peaceful, and honestly unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.